Hi everyone, it's Miss Madsen. I hope you're all doing wonderful. I know it's hard being stuck in the house, and I miss you all terribly. Every single one of you. I wish we could be together. I do. We've missed out on a lot of things, um, but to the seniors especially, just know that you'll be missed greatly, and you already are. All right, so enough of that sappy stuff. I'm here to explain to you how to do the first assignment that I'm going to be posting in Google Classroom. The assignments going forward for the rest of the year are going to be a little non-traditional as far as what we would normally do in choir, as you can assume, but I've come up with some things that I think are meaningful that everyone will get something out of nonetheless. So, I don't know how to put the assignment on the screen as I'm talking to you, so the assignment's not hard to understand. It's very simple, so it shouldn't be a problem anyway. Um, so what you're going to do is look up or think about and find a song that best represents the way that you feel about our current circumstances, how like a song that could help someone cope, a song that you could use to like reach out to someone else if they need a way to cope. Um, and then what you're going to do is go like if you go to YouTube, for example, you don't have to use YouTube, but if you do, you would, for example, copy and paste the link into Google Classroom if possible. If that's not possible for any reason, I would just tell you to email me the link. And also included with that, we would like to have you include a verse or two of the lyrics of the song that you chose. Of course, the lyrics have to be clean, so please read them carefully before you post them. And then write just a short paragraph as to why you chose the song. For me, I was looking through and doing this assignment, and I came up with a song that almost everyone knows called We Are the World. And that would be one that I would choose personally just because it sends a message of hope to everyone. So that is going to be my video. I know it's short, but if you're seeing this, it means I was successful. So let's pray that that happens. Once again, miss you all so much. And that will do it for now. Bye.